Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you are here. I hope you have a wonderful new year of 2023, and I'm back with some cooking videos, and this one is very simple, very easy, and also healthy. So let's give it a go. You want to start out by cutting down some spring onions. And then you want to go ahead and heat up some oil in a pan, and you want to drop those spring onions in there and fry them for about 2 minutes on medium heat. When the time is up, you want to go ahead and add your vegetable stock, and all the exact measurements are down below as always. Then you want to go ahead and add the frozen peas. And the coconut milk. And then you want to give that a good mix and bring it to a boil. And then you want to let that boil for about 3 minutes. And now you can take it off the heat, and you want to go ahead and add the lemon juice, as well as the fresh basil. And then all you have to do is puree it until it is a nice even soup. This will take a couple of minutes, so just take your time with it and it will be perfect. This was such a delicious soup. I really liked the coconut flavor in combination with the peas. I will definitely make this one again, and I hope you give it a try too. So yeah, enjoy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.